This is the installation guide for ScreenArmor's BaseGuard Clear. It is made for entry curve screens only, and unlike matte and privacy, it can be cut without a camera hole. SNAP FIT films have 4 layers, with the third being a dust sticker that splits in the middle so you can fit it quickly and without dust. Note that the glue is also very strong, and small bubbles may appear whilst it is drying. It's perfectly normal, and they disappear in a couple of hours. Check you have the correct film. Load it by laying it flat onto the machine's shelf and pushing it gently towards the wheels under the right-hand guide rail. A small camera detects loading and pulls the blank into the machine after 3 seconds. Save time by selecting the cut you want before cleaning the phone. Choose brand, then model, or by typing in the details. If the customer is unsure of their handset model, find them in the handset settings under About Phone. Make sure you pick the correct schematic under the front category. There are many options. BaseGuard Clear is clear enough to cover the screen's camera without any loss of clarity. In this situation, and for use with all cases, choose Shell. This is a slightly smaller design that allows for thick case edges. If the customer wants edge to edge, just choose a design with the title Full. Click the red button called Scan Cutting. The machine will scan the QR code and download the specific design, cut depth, speed, and torque requirements. It will automatically start cutting. Whilst the blank is being cut, remove any phone case and place it in the application tray, holding the power button for a count of 2 seconds. Peel off any old screen protectors. To protect your fingers, use the hard white ends of the squeegee, especially if the glass is cracked. Clean the screen thoroughly. For particularly grubby screens, use a tissue to remove as much dirt and grime before using the clean, anti-static microfiber cloth. It will last a lot longer. Remember, you don't need a dust sticker for a SNAP FIT install. That's why we invented it. There is less stock to manage, and chances of dust are minimized. The camera hole will always appear on the left in the applicator. Reach underneath the blank and, from the top right corner, slowly peel off the white layer to reveal the dust prevention sticker. Place the film over the guide holes and push them down over the applicator's hooks. If training other staff, remember this rhyme. To make it easy, lift, snap, push, and squeegee. Hold the squeegee in your favored hand, and with the other, bend the film back on itself until you see the dust layer snap. Now push it in the opposite direction to the fold, and the dust sticker should start to glide off underneath. Try to avoid pushing on the central snap line here, as it will mean less bubbles later. Swap the squeegee to your other hand and repeat: lift, snap, push, and squeegee. This time, apply considerable pressure as you glide over the middle snap line. Squeegee out the central snap line from the middle to the edge, pushing down hard on the protective layer to remove bubbles. As you remove the film's frame, be careful to use the squeegee to hold down the screen protector along each of the edges and corners to prevent peeling. Take the frame and stick it firmly to the corner of the screen protector, using it to remove the film's final protective layer. Use the squeegee to massage out as many bubbles as you can, always working from the center to the nearest edge. If there are some small bubbles visible, just explain that it is the glue drying and they will vanish in a couple of hours. Ask them to resist pushing them with a fingernail, as it can warp the film whilst it dries. Remove the phone from the applicator and double-check the installation. Refit any cases and proudly hand it back to a happy customer.
Recruits, that concludes your training. You can now install SNAP FIT BaseGuard Clear.